नमस्कार फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी का स्वागत है। फ्रेंड्स, श्री CN वेणुगोपालन सर जो पेंशन एक्टिविस्ट हैं, उन्होंने RTI में एक अपील दायर किया इन बिफोर द DFS श्री कुलभूषण नायर अपेलेट अथॉरिटी अंडर RTI एक्ट एंड डिप्टी सेक्रेटरी DFS को। मुद्दा वो था कि जब क्वेश्चन नंबर 1828 लोकसभा में 0 आवर में आया तो उसका आंसर लोकसभा में ये दिया गया कि दैट बैंक एम्प्लॉइज पेंशन रेगुलेशन डज नॉट हैव प्रोविजन फॉर अपडेटिंग पेंशन इन बैंक्स। इस बारे में उन्होंने अपील दायर किया है, जो CN वेणुगोपालन अपोजिट श्री विजय शंकर तिवारी CPIO अंडर सेक्रेटरी डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज। स्टेटमेंट ऑफ फैक्ट्स क्या है? फर्स्ट, बीइंग एग्रीव्ड बाय द डिनायल ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन, ही sought the appellant prefer this appeal in time against the denial of information given wide letter dated 24th February 23 received by him by speed post on 6 March 23. The applicant wide requisition made on 14th February 23 had sought the names, designation of the personnel who gave wrong information to the Honorable Minister of Finance relating to the reply to the under unstarred question 1828 answered in the Lok Sabha on 30th February 23 that the bank implies pension regulation does not have any provision for updating pension in banks. Third point, in spite of the fact that the CPIO who supplied this information is functioning at the DFS to which the RTI application was submitted, he did not accept it in dereliction of his information duty and the application, which was seen received at this office on 14th February 23, was reportedly transferred by some other authority to him on 24th February 23. After a period of 10 days, when in terms of Section 3 of the RTI Act, if the information is held by another public authority, the application has to be transferred to that authority within a maximum period of 5 days for giving the information. The CPIO was accepting the application on the date of its submission itself and was creating records to show that he received it only on 28th February 23 in gross neglect of the RTI Act and of his information duty. Fourth point, the CPIO replied by letter dated 28 February 23 that as per the provisions of the Right to Information Act 2005, the CPIO is required to provide information as exists in the record. Queries seeking explanation, clarification, opinion, suggestion are not covered in the definition of information under Section 2 of the Act. CPIO is not supposed to create information or interpret information or to give non-existing opinion, advice on problems raised by the applicants or to furnish replies to the situational queries in response to an RTI application. Information regarding name, designation, work allocation, etc. is already available in the public domain, and the same can be accessed from official website of Department of Financial Service, Ministry of Finance at financialservicesgovernment.in. Fifth, the CPIO was failing in his information duty by denying the information, the names and designation of the officials who gave the wrong information to the Minister of Finance by telling that the names, designation, work allocation, etc. are already available in the public domain, and same can be accessed from the official website of DFS, perfectly knowing that the website does not contain the names of officials who furnished the wrong information to the minister. 6. A prayer is hence made hereby to the appellate authority to direct the CPIO who failed in the information duty assigned to him to honestly furnish the details sought by the furnishing to me a copy of the office note furnished to the minister in respect of the unstarred question 1828, which is information as exists on the regard from where I will be able to get the information sought and to take such punitive step against him or failure in giving the information through unfair means. Dated NPARAVUR in Kerala this 17th day of the March, signed by Shri C and VENUGOPALAN. श्री वेणुगोपालन सर ने उस क्वेश्चन को एराइज किया कि क्वेश्चन नंबर 1828 लोकसभा में, जिसमें मिनिस्टर ने यह जवाब दिया था कि एज पर द प्रोविजंस देयर इज नो प्रोविजन फॉर द अपडेशन ऑफ बैंक्स पेंशन ऑफ द बैंक एम्प्लॉइज। उन्होंने उस ऑफिसर्स का नाम मांगा था जिन्होंने ये गलत इंफॉर्मेशन मिनिस्टर को सप्लाई किया, लेकिन आरटीआई के जवाब में इसका जवाब नहीं आया। सो उन्होंने अपील किया है कि हमें उन ऑफिसर का नाम डेजिग्नेशन बताइए हु हैव गिवन रॉन्ग इंफॉर्मेशन टू मिनिस्टर विच दे आंसर्ड इन द लोकसभा अगेंस्ट द रिप्लाई ऑफ क्वेश्चन 1828। फ्रेंड्स, हालांकि इन सभी हमारे प्रश्नों का जवाब न मिनिस्टर के पास है न मिनिस्ट्री के पास है। बस 100 बात की एक बात, अगर पेंशन अपडेशन गवर्नमेंट को एक्सेप्ट करना है तो उस कदम में आगे बढ़ाना चाहिए। बाकी तो हम अपना कार्यक्रम जारी रखेंगे, लेकिन इससे क्यों पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट आएगा वो आने वाले समय पता चलेगा। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार।